7 foods to help you control your blood pressure. 1. Bananas. An average-sized banana has about 450 grams of potassium, making it one of the most powerful natural medicines for controlling blood pressure. That's because this mineral helps your body control how salt is processed in your body. As you already know, consuming too much salt will surely affect your blood pressure. Along with watching your salt consumption, you must pay serious attention to your potassium levels. A potassium deficiency can cause sodium imbalances and compromise many bodily functions. 2. Pumpkin seeds. You'll find managing your blood pressure to be much easier if you start eating pumpkin seeds. Thanks to their high zinc content, they can help reverse the effects of hypertension. When your body doesn't get enough zinc, your arteries will end up losing elasticity, which will result in inflammation. Pumpkin seeds also taste great and are an excellent source of protein, fatty acids, minerals, amino acids. All of these also act as a good anti-inflammatory, emollients, and anti-parasite remedy. 3. Garlic. Garlic will, without a doubt, help you control your blood pressure. It doesn't just act as a blood thinner but also helps treat conditions such as hardening of your arteries, or arteriosclerosis, heart attacks, coronary heart disease. This is due to the great amounts of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and manganese in garlic. 4. Yogurt. The consumption of calcium is very important, both for children and adults. When you regularly eat calcium-rich foods and get the recommended 100 to 150 milligrams, you'll be lowering your risk of elevated blood pressure. Yogurt provides your body with a wide variety of nutrients, including calcium, protein, potassium, and magnesium. Calcium in particular will help you manage your blood pressure because it keeps your blood pH under control. That keeps your body in an alkaline state that prevents your blood pressure from rising. 5. Potatoes. Potatoes are very healthy if you eat them in the right amounts and cooked the right way. Remember when we mentioned how important potassium is when it comes to blood pressure? Well, you should know that potatoes are a significant source of potassium. This mineral will help you control your blood pressure by lowering your sodium levels. In addition, they're rich in magnesium. Magnesium reduces your stress levels and improves your immune system. 6. Watermelon seeds. People tend to throw these seeds out, unaware of how good they can be for their health. These little things contain curcurbitin, a substance that has the ability to support kidney function and dilate your blood vessels. That makes them ideal for fighting high blood pressure. As if that weren't enough, if you deal with arthritis as well, they can be doubly beneficial. Put some slightly crushed watermelon seeds in a container with boiling water, let sit for at least an hour and a half, and eat small amounts over the course of the day. 7. Onions. Just like garlic, onions have superpowers for your arteries and your whole body. Onions help improve blood circulation and fight high cholesterol as well as hypertension. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.